Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting and informative video. My name is Gloria. You know, for the longest time we've been talking about website design and development, the principles to it, the tools, the paths, and the stocks. Now, you know, website design and development has to do with the front end and the back end. We also have the full stack website design and development. But hold on, there's the MERN Stack website design and development and the MERN Stack website design and development. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the MERN Stack website design and development. The MERN Stack website design and development is a full stack development course, meaning it has the front end and the back end in it. It contains front-end tools like the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It also contains front-end frameworks like Node.js, Express.js, React, and it has MongoDB as its back end. Of course, we know that the back end of every website or web application controls the database. So let's take a look at all of these tools for the MERN Stack website development in details. Let's take a look at the Node.js first. The Node.js is a JavaScript technology for creating network applications really fast. One interesting thing about the Node.js is that it is a cross-platform framework, and as such, it can be deployed on any system, and it is fast to use. Now, the Express.js. The Express.js is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a robust feature like middleware, network request, and server response, and it is also quick to use. It saves time. Let's take a look at React. React is a very robust front-end framework for creating web applications. It allows your website to load very fast and makes your users feel comfortable when they are making use of your website when they visit. Let's take a look at MongoDB, which is actually the back end for the MERN Stack website design and development. The MongoDB is a document-oriented database system. Now, unlike the MySQL, that's my structural query language that arranges data in tables, MongoDB allows you to store your data in document format. Now that you have learned all of this about the MERN Stack website development, I bet you want to know more about the MERN Stack website design and development. That's the more reason why you should catch up with my next video. Now, I'd like to come to an end in this video, but before I do that, I have an advice for you. You should start acquiring a digital skill today. And until I come your way the next time, my name is Gloria. Do stay digitally informed.